The BXL-V10 is a veterinary ultrasound device suitable for pigs, cattle, and sheep. After unboxing, you can see the main unit, the charger, and the probe, which has a charging port and a probe connector on the right side. When inserting the probe, align the notch on the probe connector with the raised mark on the machine's port. To connect the charger, align the red dot on the connector with the red dot on the device. To disconnect the charger, firmly grasp the metal part with 2 fingers and pull it out. Press and hold both side power buttons to turn on the device. Press STU to enter the system interface. Left side of the ultrasound interface. The right side shows the parameters. Press the key to select multiple measurement modes. Each space represents a different length, which helps in estimating gestational age. Right-click to adjust parameters and options. Use the up and down buttons to adjust specific parameter values. The strap allows you to hang the device around your neck for convenient use in the field. Inside the box, you will also find a warranty card and user manual.